You can log into Kronos using a variety of devices, including your smartphone, tablet, desktop computer, or a laptop. You can log on to Kronos on any of these devices by using an internet browser, such as Apple Safari, Google Chrome, or Microsoft Edge. Additionally, if you have a smartphone or tablet, you also have the option of downloading a UKG-ready app. We'll talk about how to do that a little bit later on. We'll first look at how to log into Kronos using a web browser. In this case, Apple Safari. Type in the web address for Columbus City Schools, ccsoh.us. Click the menu, Staff, and under Staff Quick Links, click Kronos. Here you'll be prompted to enter your username and password. Enter the username and password that you use to log into your email. Click Sign In. It will take you to your last tab that you used. For example, if you last used the Training tab, it will default to the Training tab. To switch between tabs, click the down arrow next to Training or Manager Self-Service or My Self-Service, as the case may be, and then select the tab you wish to use. Most of the time when you try to log into Kronos, you'll come to this login screen. It has Columbus City Schools and a logo against a white background. Sometimes when you attempt to log into Kronos, you'll see a login screen like this, instead of the one we saw earlier that had the Columbus City Schools logo against a white background. Another way that this login might look is shown here, where it just says sign in. It could be against a black background or a white background where it has sign in, and then it says requires a username and password. You can still log in this way, and sometimes you may have to try it a couple of times before it will successfully allow you to log in. The document on the screen is a summary of the steps we've discussed for how to log into Kronos. If you'd like, you can pause this screen at your convenience and use it as a quick reference guide for how to log into Kronos. Another way to use Kronos on your phone, and a very handy way at that, is to use the Kronos app. To do so, go to the App Store. Under Search, type in the name for this Kronos application. In this case, Kronos is called UKG. As an FYI, Kronos was purchased a little over a year and a half ago, and the name for the parent company is now UKG. So we'll type in UKG ready, click search. Not downloaded it before, it may have a get right there to click on or some other way to say that you want that app. So go ahead and click that. In this case, because I've used it before, it's in the cloud. It's a free application. Click open. And you won't be able to see this on the screen. A pop-up message will come up asking whether the UKG app can use your location. It will ask allow once, allow while using app, don't allow. Click don't allow. Under select your region, select North America. Under company short name, enter 607-9644. And then click continue. Here you'll arrive at the login. You'll log in as you did earlier when you used the web browser. Now it asks, UKG Ready would like to send you notifications. You can click Don't Allow or Allow. If you click Allow, one handy feature of this is it will send you notifications related to your timesheets and time off approvals. So that can be handy, but if you find that annoying, you can simply click Don't Allow. And if you change your mind, you can go into settings later and toggle either way. In this case, I'll click Allow. So it has the same look and feel as using a web browser, but with the advantage of the notifications and a few other features that are found on the app. Now, if you haven't used the app for a little while and you tried to log in, sometimes you'll be presented with a sign out, you have successfully signed out page. Near the bottom left-hand corner, you'll see a tiny home link. If you click that home link, it takes you back to the menu for Columbus City Schools. And there you just go through the process of signing in. And by signing in here, you're actually signing into the app. So when you successfully enter your username and password, you'll be logged back into your app. One other thing to be mindful of when you're downloading the app is if you go to the App Store and you type in UKG Ready, you download the app, and then you seek to open it, you may be presented with this white screen. and you're not able to go past it. This is sometimes due to restrictions that are in the network for the Wi-Fi that you're attached to. So if that's the case, scroll out and remove the app, and then download it using a Wi-Fi network that doesn't have those restrictions. Or if you choose to, you can go to your settings, turn off Wi-Fi, and use cell data in order to download.